right. What's good, y'all? What's good? We back. All right, it's been a crazy winter. Lazy summer, I ain't even gonna lie, but I've been working though. But I just ain't been messing with Kelly and editing videos like I should though. But I'm back at it. I got a bunch of shit done. I want y'all to check out what I got going on. I want to update y'all because I'm about to be dropping more videos and getting back to it like we should. You know what I'm saying? And just to get more work done, me and Zay went ahead and hooked this bad boy up real fast. Yes, sir. So now we can get more shit done, get more projects knocked out, you know, because it gets cold up here in the Midwest, man, and we can only do what we can only do with the room we got and the heat we got. So, yeah. All right, I'm about to go ahead and flip the camera around and then show y'all what we got going on, what y'all missed, give y'all the big update / big reveal, you know what I'm saying? Check it out, though. Hold on. Big 80mm VS Racing Turbo, you know what I'm saying? Yes, sir. Shout out to them, you know what I'm saying? Shout out to Motion Raceworks for the tips and tricks, you know what I'm saying? Getting it right. Shout out to Dr. J. Jordan, you know what I'm saying? Helping me with all the little tips and tricks, you know what I'm saying? I'm almost to the turbo world, you know what I'm saying? We about to crank and fire this motherfucker soon, though, so stay tuned. But I got a couple other videos and stuff to update y'all on. Check out the boost leaf, you know what I'm saying? I know y'all see them instructions laying right there. If you know, you know what's going on. But yeah, stay tuned though. I just want to give y'all a quick update, you know what I'm saying? Let y'all check out the car. We still got to show y'all the Mazzi again. Got to update y'all on the tbss. But yeah, you know, stay tuned, man. Brought you through all the videos, or if I did it all, you know what I'm saying? I've been kind of lazy though, but yeah, Kelly does got tints now, you know what I'm saying? She looking super good. She got the fresh paint, you know what I'm saying? It's like a little race paint job is what I call it, you know, because it ain't perfect, but goddammit, it's there, you know what I'm saying? It's worth it. But yeah, man, stay tuned, man. We're gonna have some more videos and shit dropping soon, man. Make sure y'all comment, like, subscribe, you know what I'm saying? Westside LS 815.